So Google Collaboratory, you can click on this. It will automatically take in your Gmail ID. So you can close this thing and then go to File and New Notebook. You can close the pop-up. File and New Notebook. So you'll get the same Jupyter Notebook online. Google Colab is cloud-based. It is not related to your system. It is based in cloud. It is a cloud-based system. Minimum internet speed required is 20 Mbps required. For running large-scale models, you need minimum of 20 Mbps of speed. Now, you can see here, if you click on Connect, you will see the CPU range. See? So you have 12.68 GB RAM. And hard disk is 107 GB, which is your equivalent to your Google folder. Whatever is your Google Drive, that is this. Because mine is a paid one, so I have more. You can click on this folder and you can mount your Google Drive. You can click on this folder, you can click on you can mount your drive. That means you can connect your drive to this notebook. By default, Google Collaboratory will open a folder in your Google Drive called Collab Notebooks, and it will save there. You don't need to save anything. By default, it will open a folder called Collab Notebooks in your Google Drive. In that Google Collab Notebooks, all your notebooks will be saved. So once you say connect to Google Drive, it will connect to your drive. First time when you connect to the Google Drive, it will ask for a password. A very big password will come. Copy and paste the password in the box given and press enter. Click on connect drive. You will get a very large password. Copy the whole password and paste it in the box. Once your Google Drive is mounted, you can see here in Drive, My Drive. This is your Google Drive. So first time you're mounting the drive, it will give you a very big password. Copy the whole password and paste it in the box and press it enter. Google Collaboratory. Open a new notebook, click on the folder sign on the left side, click on Google Drive. You got the Google Drive? Close the monitor. Right, click on the left side, left side, left side. This drive. There, My Drive is your Google Drive. Click on that is your Google Drive. So the My Drive, which you see on the drive on the left side, is your Google Drive. This is your Google Drive. See, these are all Google Drive, my folders in my Google Drive. All of you mounted the drive, please confirm. No. Maybe if it is not asking, it's okay. No problem. So it will create a folder called collab notebooks automatically. If you go to your Google Drive, click on your Google Drive, you can see here a folder called collab notebooks. See, it automatically creates a collab notebooks. And whatever you do, it will automatically save here. CO files means collab notebook files. So no need of saving anything, it automatically saves. In your My Drive, you will see collab notebooks. All that automatically saved in this location. Now, as Mujib was suggesting, Black Friday sales is an interesting data on analytics vidya. It's a very large data. Okay. So all of you log in here, analytics vidya Black Friday sales. The problem statement is this: you have user ID, product ID, gender, age, and you have to predict the purchase. The diagnostic is RMS. That means it's a regression problem. You can see the train file, test file, and sample submission file. All three files are there in the problem statement. You need to predict the sales, purchase amount you have to predict. That is a dependent variable. All of you download the files, train, test, and sample submission. Okay, all of you have got the data? No, analytics is there. Download the data from analytics is only. Don't download it from Kaggle. And you can create a folder in your My Drive. Create a folder, or you can open your Google Drive. See, all of you open your Google Drive and create a folder called Black Friday sales. Click on new folder and then save the data here in your Google Drive. See, open your Google Drive, save the data in your Google Drive in a folder called Black Friday sales. Unzip it because it's a very large data. Unzip the files. Got it? All of you got the data? Not Google Colab. You have to save it in your Google Drive. Open the folder, create a folder. Why it is not pasting? Just simple copy paste. Right click. Copy. Right click. File upload. Use file upload. File upload. Or use the middle and track. No, not that. You can click on view. No, see, you open the file, don't put the folders there. You have to put the files only there. Only drag the test file, click on test, open. It's uploading. Go to view. File upload. Click on the train folder, go back. Downloads. Train folder. Train, not this one, that is a zip folder. Remove it. Okay. So in your drive, my drive is your Google Drive. Here you can see the Black Friday sales. Click on the arrow. You can see the files, train and test. Black Friday sales is equal to pd dot read underscore CSV, open bracket, double quotes, go to the train CSV, copy the path, paste it. Sales train. Black Friday sales test is equal to pd dot read underscore CSV for single or double quotes. Go to the three dots. Once you go to the file, you will see three dots. Click on the three dots, copy path. You move your cursor on the file, you will see three dots. Click on the three dots, you will get the option of copy path. Tab will work. No, tab will not work. It automatically suggests. So, auto suggestion is there. See, if you type it, it automatically suggests. No need of pressing the tab. So train data has 5,50,000, test data has 2,33,000. All of you have imported the data. Can participants confirm? Done? Online guys, have you imported the data?
Sir, can you please explain, sir, how to import data, sir? Content drive that line.
Okay, that line. Okay. So you have already opened your Google Drive?
Yes, sir.
So click on the drive on the left side, right? You can see My Drive. Within the drive, you see My Drive.
Yes, sir.
In My Drive, you can see the Black Friday sales folder which you have created in your drive. Or you just uploaded the data files?
Just uploaded, sir.
Okay, you can see the train and test files. Train 1 point something will be there, na? 1160 something will be there, train. You can see those files here?
No, sir. Do I need to refresh it?
Refresh it once.
Okay, sir.
Refresh the folder.
Sir, it came, sir.
Okay. Now once you move your cursor on the file, you will see 3 dots, right?
Yes, sir.
If you click on the 3 dots, you have this copy path.
Yes, sir.
Then you paste the path in pd.read_csv.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Got it? Yeah.
Got it.
Okay, guys, run, head, tail, D types, and describe for train data. Run these functions. And also find missing values in both train and test data. Okay, done. Then strain dot head. So we have user ID, product ID, gender, age, occupation, city category, stay in current in city years, marital status, product category 1, 2, 3. So missing values are obviously visible in 2 and 3. And purchase is our dependent variable, right? So strain dot D types. So we have integer, object, integer, object, object, integer, object, float, and integer. So Black Friday train dot is null dot sum dot sort underscore values ascending is equal to false. Oh, we have very big missing values in product category 3 and product category 2. So I'll copy the same statement down, change the train to test. Test also similar data points have missing values. So what should we do? We can combine or do it separately, only 2 columns, no? So what should we do with these 2 columns? That you have to decide first. 3 lakh. They are not small number, no? In train, the file size is 5,50,000. Missing values are 3 lakh. That means you are deleting half of your data. So there is no option of deleting here, right? So there is no question of deleting. So let us see what we can do. Black Friday sales train dot product category dot value underscore counts drop NA is equal to false. So we have categories from, I think 1 or 0. 1 to 18 categories are there. So these are codes. So we have to create a product code. They are numerical codes, right? So for missing value, we have to create a product code that will tell us that that is a missing value. Okay, a product code has to be created that will tell us that it will be a missing value. Okay, because it has to be numerical coding here. You want to use imputer? We can do that, but it will take time. You want to use KNN imputer, you can do that. You can do that also. But what happens is, even if you impute also, the accuracy might not be that great. So we'll try that. Before that, we'll do a normal imputation we will replace it with 99 as a missing product code. We'll give a missing product code as 99. That means it's a missing value. Because we can't use missing value here because rest of all are numbers. You have to give it numerical missing code. So impute with numerical missing code, which will be 99. So Black Friday sales train dot product category 2 is equal to Black Friday sales train dot product category 2 dot fill NA 99 dot fill NA 99. So if I go up and run the previous command, I should get 99 as the missing code. Dot fill NA 99. Same thing we will do. Anyway, we'll label encode, no? We have to label encode, right? Or you can give just 99 also. If you want, you can give it as 99 also. Black Friday sales test is equal to Black Friday sales test dot product category 2 dot fill NA That's what, no? Oh, yeah. So test also I've imputed with 99 and train also I've imputed with 99. Okay. So product category 3. Obviously, but that is a fact, right? We have a lot of missing categories. We have a lot of missing categories. Our data is to be corrected at the database level itself. So we'll do with the 88 in product category 3. We'll put it as 88 or 99. You can put the same. So we imputed the product categories with 99. 99 is the missing code which we have given. So whenever you see data above 1 lakh rows, use Google Collaboratory. Google Collaboratory is preferable whenever you use more than 1 lakh rows of data. When you're doing an analysis of large scale data, Google Colab will be the best option. It provides Python. The second option is Kaggle. Kaggle notebooks also are there, where Kaggle gives you both Python and R. In Google Colab, we get only Python. And the RAM is 13 GB. So we have done the missing value imputation. Okay, guys, can I move forward? Online, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the average purchase amount per gender, male and female? What is the average purchase amount per male and female? So how will you answer this question? Group by. Numerical variable is what? Purchase. Yes. Categorical variable is gender. And the average is mean. Do the group by function. And use only black train data only, because in test data we don't have purchase, right? Black Friday sales train dot purchase dot group by Black Friday sales train dot gender dot mean. Huh? Online, na? This is a cloud version. It is not here. Our internet is slow. What can we do? That's what I told you, na? It requires high internet speed. If you have 50 Mbps or 100 Mbps, it works lightning fast. This is cloud, not our system. So it all depends on your internet speed. Because there's nothing relevant to your system here. This is purely cloud. Your data is being stored in cloud. Drive is also cloud. You are working in cloud. Everything is in cloud only. So only thing is internet speed. That defines the slowness or the speedness. So we have difference. So there is a difference, right? Test null, the average purchase amount of gender M and F are equal. What test you will do here? What hypothesis test? How many levels are there? So, yes, absolutely right. Two sample independent T test. Why? Because there are exactly two levels or classes in categorical var. Okay. So what should we do? We should split data into male and female. For conducting the test, we need to split the data. Male is equal to Black Friday sales trend, square bracket Black Friday sales trend dot gender double equals to M. Female is equal to, I'll copy the same statement, Control C, Control V, and change the M to F. Okay. Now, from SciPy dot stats import t-test underscore end. T-test underscore end male గోవింద్ చెప్పండి. ఎంతున్నారు? ఓ ఓకే ఓకే. మరి చూడండి మరి ఇంకొక విజిటింగ్ ఇంకా ఫ్యాక్ట్ నా దగ్గర తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు ఎసెన్షియల్స్ ఆఫ్ ఐటీ మరి ఎవరున్నారు ఎక్సెల్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ? ఎక్సెల్ ఎవరు చెప్తారు? ఫుల్ టైం మనకి విజిటింగ్ కూడా ఫుల్ టైం ఫుల్ వీక్ డేస్ లో కావాలి కదా, వీకెండ్ కుదరదు కదా. వీక్ డేనే కావాలి మనకు అప్పుడు. ఇప్పుడు అన్ని కాలేజెస్ సాటర్డే పనిచేస్తున్నాయి కదా, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డేస్ తక్కువ ఉంటాయి కదా ఈ టైం, ఈ సెమిస్టర్లో పండగలు ఎక్కువ అని చెప్పి. అందుకనే కదా చాలా చోట్ల సాటర్డే వర్కింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఈ ట్రైమిస్టర్, ఈ సెమిస్టర్. ఎందుకంటే హాలిడేస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఫెస్టివల్ చాలా ఉంటాయి కదా, 12 days 10 days నీకు ఫెస్టివల్స్ పోతాయి కదా. మరి వీక్ డే వచ్చి ఎవరు చెప్తారు ఎక్సెల్? నేను ఒక ఆయన ఉన్నాడు, ఆయనతో మాట్లాడి చెప్తాను. ఒక్క నిమిషం లైన్లో ఉండు. సరే, ఓకే ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. నాకు రెండు నేను తీసుకుంటాను, నాకు చెప్తే దాన్ని బట్టి నేను ప్లాన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? నేను మీరు పంపిస్తాను. ఒక ఆయన ఉన్నాడు ఇక్కడ లో చెప్తాడు, ఆయన మాట్లాడండి. ఓకేనా? So what is your inference here? Reject null. So since p-value is less than 0.05, we will reject the null. Okay. Friday dot marital There are only two marital status. Okay. Test null, the average purchase of marital underscore status 0 and 1 equal. Okay. So first group by, then split data, then conduct test, and then infer. Do this. Narrative 0 and 1. 0 means no, 1 means yes. Nine two six five and 9261, right? So, Rani, I've just joined. We are working on Black Friday sales. You got the data? So we didn't try the null and alternate here. So what is the interpretation? Greater than 0.05, we will fail to reject null. Fail to reject null. Got it? So this is a two sample t-test. I think in the city, there are three. Age is not numerical. Age is categorical, 0 to 17, something. So occupation is also very large. City category, I think, is 3 only. We can do a ANOVA on city category easily. What is the average? In this case, there is only one numeric variable, which is your purchase of different city location, right? What is that one? City category. City underscore category. What is the average purchase of different city underscore category? Group by. So Black Friday sales train got purchase dot group by Black Friday sales train dot city underscore category dot mean. There are 3 city categories, A, B, C, and 8911, 9151, 519719. So what test you will do here? ANOVA single factor. Since there are more than 2 levels or classes, the hypothesis test to be done is ANOVA single factor, also called as one-way ANOVA. So, split data. City A is equal to Black Friday sales trend, square bracket, Black Friday sales trend dot city underscore category double equals to A. City B is equal to, I'll copy the same statement from top, Control C, Control V, and change the A to B. City C is equal to, change the category to C. Then we'll split the data. From scipy.stats import f underscore one way. F underscore one way, open bracket, city A dot purchase city B dot purchase, comma, city C dot purchase. So I didn't write the null hypothesis. There is no significant difference, is the null hypothesis. Since p-value is less than 0.05, we will reject null. Online guys, done?
Done, sir.
Now we'll see if we can do any one more ANOVA test. Stay in current city. Stay in current city. I think 4+. I think 4 categories are there. Black Friday sales train dot stay, sorry, dot purchase dot group by Black Friday sales train dot stay in current city years dot mean 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 categories are there. Okay. What is the average purchase of different stay underscore in underscore current underscore city underscore years? So we have mean difference. Okay. Stay 0 is equal to Black Friday sales train square bracket Black Friday sales train dot stay double equals to 0. Stay 1 is equal to, I'll copy the same statement, Control C, Control V, change the 0 to 1. Stay 2 is equal to, paste it, change the number to 2. Stay 3, paste the statement, change the number to 3. Stay 4 plus is equal to 4 plus. Hello? Stay 4 plus, you have to give it in quotes. Rest of all, you can give number. Okay. Connect the test and tell me what is the inference.
So I just need to give those 0, 1, 2, 3 votes. Because it's taking
Nana hai kya? Yes. Yeah, you are right. Because the column is object. Because 0 आ गया ना, देखो shape क्या है? Shape क्या है? 0 rows, not a number. अभी देखो, अभी आएगा 74,398. So because column data type 4 plus की वजह से it went into object. So we have to give 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in object. F underscore one way. Stay 0 dot purchase. Stay 1 dot purchase. Stay 2 dot purchase. Stay 3 dot purchase, comma, stay 4 dot purchase. Hmm? 0.5. Null. Statistic 9.38, or it's also different. And that means you use some number there. You might have duplicated the data.
They asked them good F1 score good F1 score. And they gave F1 score what is 2.2 plus and they asked what is the period to be.
So not F1 score. Where is state good? State of good here, but फिर के बाद अब state 3 पे चलेगी.
Sorry, not F1. Like in ANOVA, there are 5 different groups. Answer is 16. The lab statistic conjugate is 2.72. P-value is just to the mean. And they give for options that greater than 0.05, less than 0.05, less than different than none of the others.
Because you need to have the degrees of freedom also. How will you find the p-value? You need to have 2 degrees of freedom. In this distribution, we need 2 degrees of freedom. See, for F distribution table, what is the value they gave? 2.72. This is the one. Alpha 0.10. So see, for p-values, we need, for f statistic, we need 2 degrees of freedom, df1 and df2. Based on that, you get. So they get 2.72 is this one, which is 3 degrees of freedom and 10. 2.72 does not depend. We need to have the degrees of freedom also. Otherwise, we can't decide what is the p-value. Without degrees of freedom, we cannot define the p-value. That is what thing. What is the question again? There are five treatment groups. Okay, so we got the values here. DF1 and DF2 is there. Sample size is how much? 60. So DF1 is 5. DF2 is 60. Okay. F statistic is 2.72. The p-value is we got the values here. F distribution p-value calculated. What is the value? 2.72. Degrees of freedom one is 5 treatment groups are there. Sample size is 60. Less than 0.05. It is less than 0.05. That's the thing, because you need the DF1 is 5 and 60. 2.72 corresponds to less than 5. Actually, there is one rule actually where we can use this one. 2.72 is a general F ratio for less than 0.05. That we generally use. It requires experience. It requires experience. So it is less than 0.05. So you have to have this calculator and then do it. Got it? For the next MCQ test, keep this in mind. Every time for every test, you will get an MCQ test. Most of the recruiters are giving MCQ test. SQL, statistics, and ML. And you have taken the screenshots? You have, no, right? You compile them and send to all, so that we can find the answers and then we can work on them. So remember, there are calculators for F, T, and CAT. But the only thing is you have to give the value and the relevance. So number of treatment groups will be the numerator. Sample size will be the denominator for F distribution. So 2.72 is the F statistic. So we got here F statistic is this one, 9.3. So based on the DF1 and DF2, it calculates the p-value as this. Okay, let's take a break and then we'll meet. Guys, you want the notebook online, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I sent the notebook. So post break, we have done chi-square test on gender and marital status. First, we have done the cross tabulation. Then chi2 underscore contingency, p-value less than 0.05, reject null. Then test null association between city category and stay in current years. Cross tabulation and chi-square test, p-value 0, less than 0.05, reject null. Got this, all of you, online guys?
Got it, sir.
Okay. Now, let us start the pre-processing. Black Friday sales train dot D types. Now, user ID and product ID. User ID and product ID we can delete, right? Because I think uniques are very high. There might be a lot of unique IDs. So we can check because print user ID will be unique. We'll have 5 lakh unique IDs. So that we can't do anything. NP dot unique Black Friday sales train dot product underscore ID. Let us see, product IDs might be limited. Length, sorry, forgot the length. (3,631) unique product IDs are there. Huge number of product IDs are there. But anyway, product categories we have, right? We can substitute them with product category 1, 2, and 3. So we will delete both product ID and user ID. Now, gender is categorical, age is categorical, occupation is categorical, city category is categorical, stay in current city is categorical, marital status, all the variables are categorical. All the variables are all marital status also categorical. All of them are categorical. They are coming as 0 and 1. We have to do label encoding. We have to do label encoding. So for that purpose, let us create X. X is equal to Black Friday sales train dot drop square bracket single quote user underscore ID comma single quote product underscore ID comma single quote purchase. The dependent variable is purchase, right? Comma axis is equal to 1. Y is equal to Black Friday sales train dot purchase. This is our dependent variable, right? We have split the data into, we will do label encoding, we can do it on X also, right? All of them are same. Earlier, half of them are object, half of them are numeric. Then we have to do that process. Here, everything is object, right? That's a decision you have to take. Here, all of them are categoricals. So that is why I'm doing it on X. Because all of them are categorical. From sklearn dot preprocessing import label encoder. LE is equal to label encoder brackets. X is equal to X dot apply LE dot fit underscore transform. LE dot fit. You have given brackets, eh? X dot apply LE dot fit without brackets, right? All right. For me, no, that it will take. What mistake I did? User ID, product ID, purchase. LE dot fit underscore transform of X. Why I'm not getting it?
It's an excellent plan.
Now let me try with brackets. Missing one argument Y. Why am I not getting it? All right.
So the beginning when you did any you put imports right 99, which was actually
Okay, okay. Oh, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Good one. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. That should not be in quotes. Yes. It is giving the same error. 99. Okay, remove 99 in quotes. Let me, anything else? No, right? That is the only problem. Product category 3 also, I think I feel like that only. This also 99. 99. Guys, fill in A should be without quotes. Yes, right? So remove 99 from quotes. Fill in A should be number, not character. Okay. Identify the distribution of Y. I want histogram, box plot, and density curve of the dependent variable. So what is the distribution? Sorry, what is the skewness? Positive skewness. Outliers are there. Y dot plot kind is equal to test. Positive skewness. Y dot plot kind is equal to box, comma, what is equal to false. Yeah, there are outliers on the maximum side. Y dot plot kind is equal to density. Not a normal distribution. See, it's not a normal distribution. If you do NP log, will there be any change? No. So we'll keep it as it is. Because it is anyway not in a distribution. So obviously linear regression will not work on this data. Because linear regression requires data closer to normal distribution, right? But we will run it. The plots, box plot and density plot, we found out the data is not normally distributed. So parametric algorithms will have a problem. Okay.
So can you drop outliers in the There's some piece of code for PD dot drop, real dot drop, real comma.
No, that is a drop function is your normal thing. No, that's not related to outliers.
But it's been easy to use one drop the
Which one you're talking about? Pandas drop, huh? Return none actually. Drop doesn't do anything. You want to remove outliers. So what is the formula for calculating outliers? What is the formula for calculating outliers? we have outliers on the maximum side, right? So that means Q3 plus 1.5 times interquartile range, right? So what we have to do first? Black Friday sales train dot purchase dot describe. Okay. So what is 3 Q3 12054 plus 1.5 into no Q3 minus Q1. So 12050 minus 58230. $20,400.5, right? Now we will, you want to drop anything above that value. Then first find out how many of them are there. Okay. Length of Black Friday sales train, square bracket, Black Friday sales train dot purchase greater than equal to sorry. Sorry. So 2677 is the number of outliers. Number of outliers is 2677. But purchases outliers have a significance, right? It has a significance, right? How can we drop them then? We can't drop them. We can't drop them because they have a significance. There are high purchases. That means you're distorting, you're ignoring your high purchases. Then it's a problem, right? High purchases are good or bad? Good. If it is bad, you will drop it. But high purchases are good, right? So we can't drop them. 2677 is very small. 2677 divided by, what is the total data count? 5,50,068. It's a very small percentage. But still, but it's a good data, right? It's a good data. How will we say? Because it's a relevant data. Percentage of outliers. It's not even 1%. Not even 1%. So not even 1%, I don't think it will affect your data that much. If they are in very large numbers, then it will affect your data analysis. But they are very, very less than 1%, right? So I don't think they will have an effect on your model. Very few, right? So in this case, we don't need to deal with outliers because there are very few. Online guys, you're getting this right? A question was raised regarding the dropping of outliers. So we have outliers on the maximum side. We have identified the limit. We found out 2677 is the maximum outliers, which is less than 1%, very few. Okay, all doubts are clear now. Build a linear regression model. First model. Because Y is numerical data, regression models have to be implemented. Or before that, you want to submit to the competition also? No, you want to submit the competition? Then we have to do the test data also, right? Label encoding of the test data. Then, if you want to submit label encode test data, okay, X underscore test is equal to Black Friday sales test dot drop open bracket. What we have dropped from train data, same thing we have to drop from test data. We don't have purchase, so we will drop user ID and product ID. Axis is equal to 1. There is no purchase there, so we'll drop this too. X underscore test is equal to X underscore test dot apply LE dot fit underscore transform. Now your test data is also ready. If you want to submit to the competition, you can predict directly on the test data and write it into sample submission file, and you can upload it into the competition site. From sklearn dot linear underscore model import linear regression. Reg is equal to linear regression. Reg model is equal to reg dot fit x comma y. Reg model dot score x comma y. Oh, 14.40. Right? I told you now it will fail. Test reg predict is equal to reg model dot predict x underscore test. PD dot data frame test reg predict dot to underscore CSV reg dot CSV. And you can click on the folder, you will see here. right? You can click on this download. So once you write the file, it will write here. And click on the three dots, you'll get the file. Copy it into sample submission and upload it into competition site. You'll get your RMSE, root mean square error. Is runtime disconnected? Internet is not working. Runtime got disconnected. And then why runtime got disconnected? Does it got disconnected? Spelling mistake. See, check the spellings of this two. Access is equal to 1. Test dot drop. That's the problem. See? All right. So if I go down, download this file. And we'll go to Hackathon, Blackbird SS, sample submission, open with Excel. New Finder window, downloads, reg CSV, open with Excel. Control Shift down arrow, Control C. Control V, Control yes. Solution file, desktop, reg, no, absolutely. Four 657 RMS. RMS is very high, 4657, because our R square is very less, right? We got an RMSE of 4657, which is a very high RMSE. Leaderboard, if you see, 2,900 or something is the RMSE. So, because of the less R square, the model has failed. Okay. Now build decision tree regressor. Hmm.
79.
Predict and submit. Your score will drastically improve. RMSC. Where? In the folder. This folder. Got it? 3 dots, download. From sklearn.tree, import decision tree regressor. Tree is equal to decision tree regressor. Tree model is equal to tree dot fit x comma y. Tree model dot score x comma y. 79.20. Tree test predict is equal to tree model dot predict x underscore test. PD dot data frame tree test predict dot to underscore CSV tree dot CSV. So found it here. Download. One second. Let me just use the finders. Excel. Get Excel. Control C. Control V. Control S. $3,000. Waited. See? Position tree. Add solution. 3,284. 1,400 RMSE has drastically reduced. RMSE, this is RMSE, root mean square error. So 4,600 to 3,284. RMSE has reduced. Drastically, it has reduced. Random forest regressor will take time. So do gradient boosting regressor directly. Random forest, because this is a very large data, na? It will take time. So do gradient boosting regressor. Huh? GBM will take time, but you'll get the output, right? But random forest might give you an error, sampling error or something will come into problem. So GBM is a safe thing. And we'll also run XGB regressor. You run random forest at home. You run it at home when you have time. You can run it here also, but it might take time. Let us try, because internet is unstable. sklearn.ensemble. Online guys, any doubts? Thousand estimators I'm trying. In your 4 GB laptop, it will give a memory error. There's 5 lakhs, no? 5 lakhs into 1000 means it will be almost GB data. Some large GB data will come. $38 are over. $49. 6 minutes. It's a parallel thing, no? It will take time. Hmm? Hmm? See, RF first have to do sampling, right? 1,000 samples it has to create. So 1,000 randomly selection operations, iterations it will take. The sampling creation will consume your memory power. It's a process, right? Process means processor is involved. 65% random it has to select, then put it into your data, store it, then continue the process, store it. It has to store it in memory only because it has to do further processing, right? That is a problem. It can't store it on a system. It has to store it in the memory itself and process it. Once the sampling is storage is done, then it will start processing. Hmm? GVM will fit. Score and submit. You'll get a good score. 2.5 or something you'll get GVM. I told you, na, GVM will run faster than RF because each tree will be built faster. No? Thousand estimators here for GVM. Ensemble, yeah, it's an ensemble. No problem. How much is the score for GBM? No problem. Predict from this. Yeah, 64. 64. Okay. GBM, I think it failed actually. GBM and random forest are not giving good score. We have to use XGBoost. My lowest is 2819. 2819 XGBoost 3000 with eta of 0.05. Oh, rectifier. Okay. Deep learning models work on this data here. XGBoost is taking up to 2955, 3000 trees, but both the GBM and RF are failing. So there is no point in running them. So instead of that, guys, I am removing RF and GBM because they're taking and they're not giving good scores. You can run them later. Pip install XGBoost. Pip install XGBoost. Okay. From XGBoost, import 2096 for XJ, for GBM. Good one. Good one. Oh, I have not imported XGBoost. That's why it is not coming. Import XGBoost. From XGBoost import XGBoost regressor. GBM 1000 you got, right? 2996. Improvement from decision tree. Okay. It's okay. No, it's good now. It improved from 3200 to 2009. So GBM worked well. 1000 estimators. Guys, GBM 1000 estimators, it is running fast. You can build that. So XGB is equal to XGBoost regressor, open bracket, learning underscore rate is equal to 1, max depth of the tree, max depth of the tree is equal to 6, min underscore child weight is 40, seed is equal to 0. XGB model is equal to XGB dot fit X comma Y. Completed. XGB model dot score X comma Y. Huh? Learning rate is the rate at which the weights are adjusted. It adds in extreme gradient boosting, wrong predictions will give in weights, right? Additional weightages will be given, right? What multiples of the weight should you give? That is called learning rate. Default is, I think, 0.01. XGB predict is equal to XGB model dot predict X underscore test. PD dot data frame XGB predict comma 2 underscore CSV XGB dot CSV. Let me just check. Excel. Okay. This finder is Tom. The other finder open with Excel. Control C. Yes. Two 2866. It's even better, right? 2866. XGB 100.
Okay.
For this, we can add n underscore estimators. Here, XGBoost to get 2866. Crum. I am doing XGBoost with 2000 trees. It was 100 trees by default. Let us see if it improves to 26 or 27. See, it is using maximum RAM. 9.456 GB of RAM is used. Increasing. If it becomes red color, it will crash. Let's hope it doesn't become red color. As long as it is yellow, it is not a problem. Yeah? Yeah. Which software, R or Python? Python, it will, for yours is 6 GB only, no? Then it will shut down. Crash. It will crash. Because memory cores, actually you have to alter the memory cores. But if you alter the memory RAM cores, your other process will slow down. Your email also will be slow down. Gmail also will be slow. That's why we will not tell students to touch the course. You can allocate course, quad course, no? All the processors. By default, it will take only one process, one core for processing the data. If you increase the cores to 3, then it will take 3 cores and it might run. It will allocate more memory and it will run. But your other processes will get slowed down, because by default it will allocate 3 cores to Python. And if you are using Python, it will work faster. But any other thing, it will slow down. Facebook, Gmail, everything will slow down. That is what happened with my 3-4 years back when I altered the course. I was desperate to alter the course for R. So I altered the course and ran some large data, image data. It completely spoiled. I have to throw that laptop out and buy a new one. It was a Windows laptop. After that, I'm not touching the course. Anything higher, go to Google Colab and run it from there. Because you have to completely reformat the system. Yes. And my personal experience is every second time if you reformat the original system, it will be definitely slow. As you reformat system more times, your system will get slower and slower. That's what one of my friends told me. Because
I think that would be the case of exchange event when you have actual hardware, but it keeps on overriding on the same.
Yeah.
But maybe in FSD that won't be because
I don't know. The latest ones I don't know, but in the old case, if you use the disk and then upload the system again, it will not match the previous version. There's a lot of discussion there that, if you reboot or reformat the system, it will be definitely slower. Nowadays, Dell HP guys are openly telling them, because in PGA 18, one student had the problem. When he went to Dell Service Center, he told, I will reboot the system, but it will be slower only. It will not be as fast as earlier. The 6 minutes are over. XG Boost, it should run by now. Because what happens is, more people will come now, counselors and all. Yes. Then it will slow down. So the time, it's already 1, right? XGB, yeah? What's the score? Yeah, okay, no problem. How many estimators? 1,000. Yeah, 71 means your rank will improve. Because for 100 only I got 68. So if it is taking time, you can stop. It's running and you can run it at home. You run it home, it will take time. Arey yaar. Internet slow. Okay, so you can stop running and then you can do it at home. That's what internet connection is unstable. I'll upload. You can upload this on GitHub. But that's what I'm telling you. Before uploading on the GitHub, do some graphs. Use Seaborn. SNS is there. It's very easy. SNS.barplot, like plt.plot only. SNS, you just get you will get the cheat sheet. You just use that. SNS, the Seaborn as SNS. Import Seaborn as SNS. You can do the plots. Very good plots, legend, labels is very easy. And you can upload this in your your choice. Minimum is 1 regression, 1 classification, 1 time series, 1 NLP, 1 image processing. Minimum 5 projects. Maximum your choice. But whatever you upload, you have to have knowledge. That's why I'm saying 5. Use regression, all models. Or first do one EDA with hypothesis testing. And then same data, regression or classification, all models you do. Right? Or both regression and logistic regression, regression and classification do with hypothesis testing. Then IoT time series data, NLP, and image processing. 5 of them. And in classification, next class we will talk about imbalance. You work on the imbalance data also in the same classification problem. You'll have a good notebook. But whatever you are showing to the recruiter, you should have 100% knowledge. Don't go for advanced topics. Sometimes basic topics are enough for you to get a job. If you explain linear regression 100% thoroughly to the recruiter, he will give you a job. And if you fail to explain neural network, you will definitely have a problem. Even the basic concepts, that's what I tell you. Whatever you are comfortable with, learn it 100% thoroughly. You don't need to have advanced concepts, nothing. Basic concepts also, 100% if you have knowledge, they'll do. Right? So, like that, you choose the model and then you perfect it, and then chances of recruitment will be very high. Not that you have to learn advanced models. Advanced models, if you can do, that's better. But some point you have to get into advanced models. After joining job also, they'll push you to like one person now he's asked to create data of traffic signals, lights, red, yellow, green. So he has to go to Google Images, download the free images. And then he has to create a data set first. And once he creates the data set, then he has to start working on building the model. So they said you create your own data set. So he has to copy all the red lights images, 1,000 images or 500 images, and put each image as red, like name it. And then he has to create green, yellow, all these images he has to create, name them, label them. Then he has to build a model. They said you collect your own data. Don't use any existing data set because there are a lot of data sets available on cable. Again, copyright issue will come. So they said use free images from Google, open source. Okay. Yeah. Online guys. So any doubts?